Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to fix auto call recording not working issue. Open this phone app, tap on this phone app icon, tap on these three dots on top right corner, go to settings, go to record calls, and here you can see auto record calls. We need to enable this option. Ensure that auto record calls option has been enabled here. That is a method 1. Let me enable. Done. Then tap on this auto record calls, tap here. Here you can see 4 options. So right now I have selected this third option, calls with specific numbers. So now this phone records only the call from specific numbers. That is a problem. So here we have to select this first option, all calls. Now this phone will record calls from all numbers. This is a method 2. Ensure that here you have selected all calls. Done. These are the two methods to fix auto call recording not working issue. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.